Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to free up space on OneDrive. To free up space on Microsoft OneDrive, start by reviewing and deleting files you no longer need directly from your OneDrive folders, since removing unused files is the fastest way to recover storage. For a more targeted cleanup, go into Settings and open the Manage Storage section, where you can view your total usage and access tools that help you identify large or unnecessary files. From there, use the Free Up Space or Storage Management view to sort your files by size so you can quickly find the biggest space hogs, including old documents, media, or backups that are no longer important. After selecting unwanted files, delete them and don't forget to also empty the recycle bin because deleted items don't take up space until they are permanently removed. You can also check related storage sources like Outlook attachments if they are connected to your account, since those can silently consume space over time. Once everything is cleaned up and the recycle bin is cleared, your OneDrive storage will be fully refreshed and more space will become available for new files. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.